guys, another day, another reselling Q&A. First question. I am a part-time reseller on such platforms, but I am eager to deactivate all of my personal social media accounts, Instagram, Facebook, TikTok, due to mental health reasons. At the same time, I learned so much from these platforms that can essentially help me grow as a reseller. What would you recommend? I'm not really open to creating another account for reselling content, but do you believe these platforms are necessary to scale up? Okay, so first off, if something is affecting your mental health, then get away from that. As far as do I think that they're necessary? So no. I don't know. I hesitate because social media, it can be a really, really good thing. It can also be a really, really bad thing. It definitely can affect mental health because there's just so much shit going on. You know, you compare yourself to other people, then there's toxicity. As far as reselling, you don't need social media, but it can help you. You know, you can gain an audience, you can reach people that you wouldn't have reached. I'm actually thinking about getting into TikTok. I watch TikTok videos, but I haven't made any myself, but that's a whole new audience that I haven't tapped into yet. I guess I can't really answer that question for you, as to whether or not you need social media. Like I said, I don't think you need it to make sales, but it can definitely help you. And again, if something is causing you to be stressed out, girl, take a break from it for a while and recoup. Next question. When listing Pink by Victoria's Secret on Posh, do you list under Pink or under Pink Victoria's Secret? Both suggestions come up and I don't know which one works best. So I do Pink Victoria's Secret. I have seen things listed under Pink before, but I feel like Pink Victoria's Secret has a bigger following, more people, I'm like knocking shit over. Yeah, I think more people would know Pink Victoria's Secret as opposed to just Pink. So yeah, Pink Victoria's Secret. It's annoying on Mercari because they don't have that option. They just have Victoria's Secret. So I have to list all of my Pink Victoria's Secret stuff under Victoria's Secret. And I don't know, that's just annoying. There's some things about Mercari that are really annoying. How when you list denim, you have to do like the waist measurements. You can't do like, oh, a size 6, a size 8. No, you got to do a size like 25 or 26. It's like, it's fucking annoying. I would suggest listing it under Pink Victoria's Secret. You also could list it under both. If you did that, you'd have to create 2 separate listings, and that's okay to do on Poshmark. On eBay, I know you can't do that on eBay. I'm not sure about Mercari. Maybe that would be like a little experiment to try. Okay, next question. It says, hi, do you know about this? And they linked me somebody's Instagram story. Basically, this says an update on Poshmark search straight from Manish. This is the Poshmark earnings call transcript. This person named Anna Andreeva, I don't know who that is, but I'm going to read you what she says and then what Manish says. So she says, thank you so much for good quarter, guys. Congrats and thanks for all the color. We had 2 questions. We noticed there were some changes to search functionality in the last month. I don't know who that is. Who's Anna? Sounds like she doesn't work at Poshmark because she's asking questions to Poshmark. Anyway, my understanding is a new iteration was launched just last week. Just curious how the community is reacting to that. And I guess, do you anticipate any additional changes down the road? I know you're not providing annual guidance, but as we think about the year, should we expect the sales growth to accelerate after Q1? Blah, blah, blah. Okay, and then Manish answers. I'm going to answer the first part of that and have Rodrigo sort out the answer to the second part. So we want to continue to provide the best matching experience for buyers and sellers on our platform. And for that, we are constantly optimizing our discovery and search experiences. We did a shift in our just shared algorithm earlier this quarter. We got feedback from the community. We took a step back, read it, and relaunched it just this week at 100% live this week. Today is March 24th when I'm filming this. Yeah, as most of you guys know, there was an algorithm change a couple weeks ago. Everyone was pissed off because the majority of people, their sales went down, including myself. So a lot of people complained. Poshmark was like, oh, okay. You know, they said they're going to try to fix things or make it better. Search results went back to how they originally were. And then I guess just this week they relaunched it. And honestly, this week sales have been shit for me. So what did you really do, Poshmark? Did you really like make it better? I don't know. I'm reading some of the comments. This person says that explains my lack of traffic. This person says, I'm falling out of love with Poshmark. This person said, so is sharing useless now? Then somebody else said, he did say sharing a community would always be an essential part of Poshmark, obviously, because they want Poshmark to be a social app. So regardless of whether or not sharing is going to help in a search, they're going to tell you yes, share, because they want it to be social. This person said, I tried to search for something I wanted to buy last night and it was impossible to find. I ended up buying it on eBay instead. This person said, well, it explains the lack of sales. Person says, honestly, the first time they tried it, my sales tanked. It was horrible. Then the second time, the first few days, maybe a week, my sales were tanked as well. Person says, my sales offers and likes took a nosedive. I tried to search for an item I wanted to buy and had so many items mixed in that I didn't have an interest in buying, so I just gave up. Person says, that explains why my sales are in the dumpster. Why are they trying to fix something that wasn't broken? Well, like I said, I have had issues this past week. My husband has had issues this past week with sales. Comment down below and let me know if you have. Again, today is March 24th when I'm filming this. I'm going to try to get this video up maybe tomorrow. I do pre-film videos, but stuff like this, it's kind of like in the moment and like kind of urgent. I like to get out as soon as I can. So once again, I'm going to say you can't put all your eggs in one basket. Definitely cross-list to other platforms. I use Vendu to cross-list to Mercari and eBay. My eBay sales have been really good lately, actually. Yeah, so I mean, it sucks, but it's unfortunate. They're a business. They want to make money. They're going to try new things. And yes, it definitely affects us. We can voice our opinions all we want, but in the end, they're going to do what they want to do. So yeah, I guess we just got to kind of learn to live with it. I don't know. This person said, but why does my feed still come up as just shared? That's a lie. Manish, boo-boo, we're confused. All right, let me see what mine says, actually. Okay, let's search for, oh, these shoes, you guys. I'm just going to give a little update. I posted a story on Instagram last night about how I purchased a pair of shoes from someone, and my bad, I should have researched the shoes before I got them, I guess. But she listed them as a women's shoe. They turned out to be a men's shoe. I was going to get them for myself. They are a men's sizing, not women's sizing, so they would not have fit me. All I had to do was Google the style number that was on the tag. So I contacted this person after I purchased it, and I said, hey, these are actually men's shoes. They're not women's, so, the sizing is very different. These are going to be way too big for me. Can you please cancel this? So this was literally 5 minutes after I purchased the item. And I had sent her an offer, so yes, it's binding, but the seller can always cancel. Then she blocked me. After that, I'm like, what the fuck? I'm like, this is shady. So then I sent an email to Poshmark, and Poshmark ended up canceling the sale and refunding me, which was great. At first, they were like, when you get the sale, if it's not as described, you can open up a case. I'm like, yeah, I was gonna do that anyway, but like this, come on, like this is something you can find out for yourself right now, and it's gonna save the hassle of, paying for a shipping label and doing all this shit. So I got refunded, so that was good. Actually searching for the shoes that I was gonna buy, I searched Nathan Bell Zoom Fly. They're a pair of Nikes. Nathan Bell is like the creator of the shoe or the inspiration of the shoe, and the Zoom Fly, that's the model. So look at the first 4 things that pop up. We have 3 pairs of shoes and a pair of bell bottoms because it has the word bell in it. We have more pairs of shoes and another, a shirt that says bell sleeves, more shirts and shoes, another shirt. This one, because it has the word Nathan in it, the hipster, like a friggin' fanny pack or something. So, frustrating. I don't know how every other website is able to get their search to work and be just fine, but Poshmark is not. It doesn't, I don't know. So yeah, that's kind of where we stand. Again, comment down below and let me know how your sales have been lately. But I'm gonna go now because I've been rambling. If you have any other questions, you can comment down below or send me a DM on Instagram. If you're new to Poshmark and you want to sign up, you can use my code. It is Keepin It Rad. You get a $10 credit, and I also get a $10 credit, so thank you. That's it. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll talk to you guys in my next video.